This is the part. It still didn't not work. I'm still. It's hard to. Because I want to try this. I have 3 clays, by the way. Let's just bake. I think kulang sa water. Let's add a little oil. Wait, so binabas na, wait, I think this is too much water. Let me. I have this feeling that it didn't gonna work because all the time I'm making a slime. It's not gonna work. I think I add too much water. It's too bubbly. I'm gonna remove the water. Wait, guys. It didn't work. I think it's time.